Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a tutorial for you from Beebeecraft using the products that they sent me, and this is the polymer clay set. So if you want to check that out, all the links will be below for these products, and this all came in a set. So it came with all these beautiful colours of polymer clay that I've rearranged into colour order. All these gorgeous tools, look at them. Ones with silicone on top, balls, metal ones, styluses. Oh, there's just so many of them. And it also came with little bits and pieces to make your little key rings and dangles and things like that. So yeah, get on, check out Beebeecraft. Check out their products. They are awesome. They've got so many things in there to look at. All those links will be below. And don't forget, at checkout, you can put in my code Valita10 and get 10% off your products. So today, we're going to have a little play with these. And what I have found, I've already opened one. And just had a little play with it because I've not used polymer clay before. And I did this little face. Now what I wanted to do is, where's my glasses? I put my glasses on. I love these silicone tools because they are soft. So I can just run that around there, fix up any bumps and lumps that I don't like. And it's not a harsh, hard tool that's going to put, you know, more lumps and bumps in it. So I'll just adjust her face there. Now, to start off with this, these packets come, they are hard. Okay, that's fairly hard. So they come hard and you have to condition them. Okay, so take it out of the packet, roll it in your hands and make a sausage out of it. Roll it again until you get it into a workable consistency. Okay, it has to be soft so you can work it. Now, I found that these got quite soft. So, and I really wanted to use my little face molds here for this project, and they kept sticking in here, and I don't know whether that was because this is really soft or it was this old silicone mold, or I'm not sure. So the answer that I found was to grab myself a little bit of corn flour. Now, I'm not sure how this is going to bake, but I don't think it's going to be a problem. So what I did was just lightly touch my brush into here and dust. See, you don't have to put much in there at all. Dust that, and then when I pull a little bit of this clay off, I'm going to push it down to almost the size. Okay, and I'm also going to dust either side of my clay. That's immediately taken the sticky off. And when you're working, I've just got a tiny little silicone mat here, so I can work on that and make sure that's clean, because this stuff is going to pick up every little speck of dirt and dust that you have on your table. So what I did then was just push it into my mold then, like I almost got it to the size that I wanted it, and then it just gonna call me a liar, it came out very easily then, because I could I had dusted it. I'm just going to add just a tad more dust there and put it back in. Now, I don't know whether this is the thing to do. I'm no expert in polymer clay, but I just wanted it to work for me, so that's one way I could get it to work. Now, I will probably go ahead and, oops, I wanted to reshape that. Don't press too hard. Okay, so I'll probably go ahead too, and when I bake them, I'm probably going to add a little bit of paint and things like that to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a few of these faces, see how they turn out. I didn't want them too thick because like I probably won't do these big ones. I didn't want them real thick. That was the thing that I was thinking. Now, I guess you could try this with other sorts of clays too, but you don't get the colours that you get in the polymers. Right, dust them off, and it will be time to bake them. So it's 135 degrees in my oven for 15 to 30 minutes. Right, so I'm going to go do that, and then I will be back. All right, I've had my faces in the oven for, remember I said 135 degrees Celsius or 275 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. I just left it in for 30 minutes because I've got a little timer on my little oven and it just turned off, and I let it cool in there. So they're all done. So this is a really old set of metallic rub-ons. I don't even know what they're called these days. They'd be called something else. I've had these forever. Just put a little bit of pink on her cheeks. Oops. Oh. Alright, see if I can get that off. I actually don't mind a little bit on the eyelids now. My idea for these little faces were to use some of this beautiful thread, sorry, not thread, this beautiful fabric that I got. And give that a bit of a fray. It's probably too long. Cut a bit smaller. Right. Now, Nat gave me this. It was a little piece of her avocado dyed things. And I thought, oh, that could look really pretty dressed up on one of these. And then oops, got caught with my fingers. Sit it on there. And then what else do I see here? See some little flowers. I'm going to just glue that onto there. Okay, we'll glue that down. Glue the face on. And then we'll put a few little flowers around her head. I just want the flowers to come onto her head just a little bit, so that looks cute. Alright, now we're going to need to put some fabric behind here just to give this a bit more stability, because I want this to catch down properly. So I'm just going to put my glue has come out and just spewed everywhere. I'm going to fold this over first, and this is going to give me a good base. These little clamps. I'm going to put it into my flat nose pliers. Okay, I'm not pressing it down, but I'm just lightly holding that in there. I'm going to put that over my fabric. Okay. One press down, and that is on and not coming off, which is awesome. So these pliers are so handy. Like I said, I'm going to have to hide them from Dave. But I want to do something with this one. She is stunning. Now another thing that I could put on here is these. I got these in the same order as all this, and they're these beautiful little flowers. They could look gorgeous on here too, couldn't they? Let's have a look what's in here. Oh, that one's pretty. Very pretty. One. Now I guess if you wanted to put them flat in a junk journal, adding these might not be the way to go, but if you wanted to, they don't sit up that high actually at all, but wouldn't they look gorgeous on there? So I'll show you them one by one up close. This is my purple flower lady. And I'm not sure what I call her, but she's gorgeous. So these are the dangles that I've made with the polymer clay faces. And the first one, the little flower lady, she's gorgeous. So that's what I've made today with these products from Beebeecraft. I hope you've enjoyed that. If you're new here, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, all that sort of thing. I love to read your comments. And give me a like, please, because I appreciate that so much. Yeah, so look down below. The Beebeecraft links will be there. The product links to the polymer clay sets, the tools, the flowers, the flat nose pliers, and then I'll come back and do next week. I'll come back and do one more video with the necklaces. Right, and don't forget at checkout, if you put my coupon code in Valita10, you get 10% off these beautiful products. All right, so I'll see you soon for a new make, and take care and have fun crafting. Bye.